Ahead Contents Download 521x Execute 斜线330千位元组斜线 HTML 斜线12 Files Publisher as Preface Introduction Outline of the Book J.D. Licht Registration Office 01 Tribunal 02 Tribunal 03 Tribunal 04 Tribunal 05 Tribunal 06 Tribunal 07 Tribunal 08 Tribunal 09 Tribunal 10 Tribunal Name and Chinese Word Code Big 5斜线意味元组加00 back contents 等于 find 1521 HTML 0A1 等于 publisher as preface 0A2 等于 introduction 0A3 等于 outline of the book 0A4 等于 J.D. Licht 1521 HTML 001等于 To the Cave of
性气候。
脚跟会抬高，脚跟会抬高的。哦，脚尖那边，脚尖的附近那边涌泉穴，涌泉穴，按摩涌泉穴。36下也可以，按摩涌泉穴。八段锦那个，八段锦那个是增加肝功能，增加肝功能力量。八段锦。
Ahead Contents Download 521x Execute 斜线330千位元组斜线 HTML 斜线12 Fonts Publisher as Preface Introduction Outline of the Book JD Lit Registration Office 01 Tribunal 02 Tribunal 03 Tribunal 04 Tribunal 05 Tribunal 06 Tribunal 07 Tribunal 08 Tribunal 09 Tribunal 10 Tribunal Name and Chinese Word Code Big 5斜线意味元组00 Back Contents 等于 Find 1521 HTML 0A1 等于 Publisher as Preface 0A2 等于 Introduction 0A3 等于 Outline of the Book 0A4 等于 JD Lit 1521B HTML 001等于 To the Cave of Sinful Hard Mountain 002等于 To King Senchi Happy Hard Pot 003等于 To the Registration Office 004等于 To Wang Jiangzong 1521C HTML 005等于 201 Tribunal and Conversation with Qin Guangguang 006等于201 Tribunal Magic Mirror Pavilion 007等于201 Tribunal Bullatic Jingsuo Rehabilitation of Taoists Monks and Nuns 008等于201 Tribunal Wang Si Chen City of Those Who Died on Natural Deaths 009等于201 Tribunal Continuing Tour of Wang Si Chen 1521D HTML 010等于202 Tribunal Touring the Second Tribunal 011等于202 Tribunal Order Pool in Hades 012等于202 Tribunal Hades of the Hungry Ghost 013等于202 Tribunal Nahi Chiao and Hades of Dancing 014等于202 Tribunal Hades of Coldness 1521 HTML 015等于203 Tribunal Paying Respects to Song de Wang 016等于203 Tribunal The Prison of School Eyes 017等于203 Tribunal Copper斜线 Iron Knife Face Scraping Prison 018等于203 Tribunal Hanging Upside Down Prison 019等于 To the Office of Four Types of Reincarnation 020等于 To the Office of Four Types of Reincarnation Second Visit 021等于 To the Office of Four Types of Reincarnation Third Visit 1521 FHTML 022等于204 Tribunal
毛星法主讲者为布妙翻译者
023等于204 Tribunal Prison of Force Drinking of Medicine 024等于204 Tribunal Prison
第
of
1章
Boiling Water
为什么他们恭喜我求得天道
Chapter 2 What is the Tao?
第二章蛇模式造句。 第三章何谓三宝。
Chapter 4 Why did the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar?
第四章为什么银宝要立愿。
Chapter 5 Why I should take an oath before receiving the vow.
第五章为什么要立求道愿。
Chapter 6 How to save human beings.
第六章如何求度众生。
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the vow? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to you for this is your most auspicious day. Today you have received the vow which is the ultimate aim of existence. All of the Buddhas and saints attained the vow in the past and, by transcending the limitations of birth and death, had become immortal. That which you have received today is the same vow. Formerly, one who intended to receive the vow had to abandon worldly possessions and enjoyments. If he was a king, he had to abandon his kingdom. If he was a high official, he had to resign his high position, leave his family and go to the remote mountains to seek a master who would transmit the Tao to him. After much suffering, he would gradually perfect his conduct, purify his mind and heart, and perform many good deeds. For his sincerity, God would send Buddha to transmit the Tao to him. Under such conditions, a person able to succeed was hard to find. During that period, the Tao was secretly transmitted from one patriarch to another.
第一章为什么他们恭喜我求得天道各位先生太太小姐。首先让我衷心的恭喜你们，因为今天是你们大喜的日子。今天你们得了道，道是至宝，道超出了一切。每一位古圣先贤佛祖皆于古代求得天道，故他们能超出生死之界限而永存。今天你们所得的道即同他们其实所得的道一样。在古时，人要得到必须弃他在世界上所拥有之一切与享受。假如他是一位皇帝，也必须弃他的江山。假如他是一位大，他必须舍弃他的觉悟，离开家人，入深山寻找能够指点他我境、传授大道给他的名师。在他经历了千辛万苦之后，同时已将凡心修炼成佛心，并以达至圆满之行为。以及做了许多善事，在他至诚之下，终于感动上天之心，派遣佛来指点，传授大道给他。在如此之情况下，成功者非常稀少。在那时，道是由一代祖师逆传给下一代祖师。
Today we need not go to the remote mountains in order to cultivate ourselves. We may find the means to do so in our own environment. Therefore we must take full advantage of with our fortunate circumstances because we are in close proximity to the Tao. Why is the Tao so accessible to us at this time? It is because mankind is facing great calamities which signal the destruction of the human race. What is the cause of these calamities? In this modern age, most people blindly worship technical science and neglect spiritual harmony. They believe that the power of mankind can surpass nature and that science is almighty and can solve all human problems. It would seem as though conscience or soul are only religious terms and have no real existence. Most people do not recognize their true selves, which are indestructible and immortal. Actually, the true self is the master of the mortal body. Today most people have lost their consciences, harming others in order to benefit themselves. Those evils which human beings are now committing will cause great disasters, the likes of which had never been witnessed before. This will be the final calamity in which the human race, the immortals of space, and the ghosts in hell will all be destroyed.
然而，现在我们不需要到深山去，而我们一默修行，所以我们能如此容易就得到这是因为时代不同了。现在人类面对劫难之来临，末劫就到来到，末劫将会毁灭全人类。劫难是怎样造成的原因是在此今世纪，多数的人们不盲目崇拜科学而不注重心灵的完善，他们相信人类的力量能超出大自然，科学是高于一切，科学是万能，科学能解一切人类之问题。而良心、灵性仅是宗教之名词，它永不能实现。人们不认识真理，真理是我们之良心、道心、真我本体。它不灭，万不长存。它是主持我一生之主人翁。如今世上的众生，大多数失去了真正的良心，他们造一切之罪恶，因此造成了空前绝后之后劫。我们称它为末劫。在此浩劫中，不仅全世界的众生，同时起天的大天、地府的鬼魂都要受劫灭。
However, God, for whose essence we are created,
is merciful and compassionate and does not desire that the good people be destroyed along with the evil ones. So God has provided that the Tao be disseminated among mankind and has sent the great teachers, Buddha, Sikha, and Bodhisattva Yui, to rescue these three kinds of beings, the immortals of space, human beings, and the ghosts in hell, so that they may return to heaven together. Buddha, Sikha, and Bodhisattva Yui are under the command of God and are responsible for transmitting the Tao to the three kinds of beings. Their duty is to manage the work called the last salvation. This salvation is formless and soundless and the transmission is performed
星号
without
lecturer
preaching.
and the
It
Chinese
directly
Studies
points out the
Department.
original nature, conscience, or
University
soul
of
of
Malaya,
mankind in
Kuala
order
Lumpur,
that
edited
people may
the English
realize their true nature and
translation.
thereby
Wise, we
become
wish to
enlightened.
thank both of
然
them
而
for their
自我们灵性的至高无上之母亲上帝是非常的慈悲，一部准善恶俱焚，因此降下真道并派名师济公佛与月会菩萨降世挽救三曹弃天之大仙，世界的众生，地府的鬼魂同返天堂。我们师尊师母二位老大人奉老母的命令，真传真守，普渡山曹。他们的责任是办理末后一收元大事，不立文字，教外别传，直指人心，直指人人固有之良心。灵性使人们见自信而成佛。
When the last calamity arrives, nothing can save mankind except the true way, which is the vow sent from God. That is why the vow is widely propagated today to save good people. Ancient people
星号
first
的 business
cultivate
were completed in 62
themselves
journeys.
and
The
then
first
receive the Tao.
made on the 16 th.
But today we receive the Tao
day
first
of
and
the 8th moon, 9th September 1976.
then cultivate ourselves. Therefore, after we had
And the
received
last
the
on
Tao,
the 16th day, the 8th moon, 30th July.
we have to
1978
seriously cultivate
星号
ourselves.
the details and conversations of each journey were written
Then we shall
in Chinese
automatically be saved
characters
from
on the
danger,
planchette board during
escape from
each
calamities,
planchette
avoid
session held in
reincarnation.
Shenzhen. The words were read
and become saints and Buddhas.
aloud and
当
recorded
末
on
节
paper
灵
for
同时，没有
compilation.
任
A very tedious and time-consuming
何
process. The
其他
visits
方法
were
可以
generally
解救众生，
made at
除了上帝所降下的唯
星号 because this is not a storybook where the chapters must
一之道。
be reading
因此，现
sequence.
在
Each
大道
journey
普
is
渡善男
completely
信
itself,
女
not
普
interconnected. Therefore, narratives of
是
the
先
journeys
修
can
透
be
的，先修道，然后才得道。现在我们是先的后修，因此得
read in any order. 星号 as this book is intended to benefit
以后，我們要
as
真
many
正
people
修道
as。possible. It is somewhat selfish to read it alone and
将來自然能逢凶化吉，末節比難超生。
understand and benefit thereby. Family group reading sessions are recommended. Each person taking turns to read
Although
out
it is easier
because
for modern
it
people
is
to receive
accepted that silent reading is enjoyed only by the individuals, whereas reading
doubting it
out
was
can
for
be heard
past
by others and
generations, the ability to receive the Tao also
to hell, go alone, but when taking journeys to the
Depends on
underworld,
each
like
person's
reading this book,
condition and
going
background.
a group
Today
the
you
more the
receive
merrier. 星
out because you had an
号
affinity with our
February 1987，星号 Kuala Lumpur
temple and you and your ancestors have performed many virtuous acts. Possibly
海昌加 A3
you were cultivated in a religion in
journeys
your
to the
previous lives.
outline
These
of the
conditions allow
负零 A3 星号 given by Jinho Uizumi 星号 13
to have
TH
an affinity for the Tao.
1978 19 TH 1978 This book Dialogy was written according to
it.
虽然今人比古人更易得道，然而亦是个
language is very simple but has profound meaning. This book serves ascetic
各
practitioners
师根基缘分。今天你们得到
as
皆
well
因
as
与
those
佛
who
有缘。
have the intention of leading good and meaningful
前世有行善积德，祖先有
If
德，
any
也
mistake
许
is
前
found
世
in the
有
book, it is due to oversight. It should not be the reason to
或
belittle
无那
this
宗
book.
教或其他宗教，因
Is
此
the
使
fruits
你
of 2
们
years
今
of
天有
hard work put in by sense and human beings, and it reveals some of the secrets of Hades, the laws,
缘得道，
regulations, and
否则
extent of
将永不
punishment
能得
that
到。
are now
Chapter 2
made
Love is
known
the
to
Tao.
human
Ladies and
beings. This is
gentlemen,
a
you
sword of the
have
law.
received the Tao
Vow
today,
to warn
but
and
what
help
did you
everyone. I hope you will read it patiently. In this way you can understand and eventually
actually receive? What is the Tao? The Tao is the source of everything. Tao is
This
the
book is the
creator and
result of
master of the
combined
universe.
efforts of
Tao
heaven,
is God, the supreme
Hades, and
power.
human beings.
Before the
On
earth
earth
and
its
sky
merits are
existed,
equally.
before the creation of the universe,
The following
existed.
categories of people will also earn merits. Those who print the book for distribution, irrespective of
after the universe
whether
is
they help to
annihilated
print,
and nothing remains,
whether
the Tao will continue to
they ask people to defray the cost, whether they read the book and explain the benefits to others, whether they help to
exist
distribute
and
the
to
book.
create and control a new universe. The Tao is limitless.
They will have the extent of their releases reduced if they have already accumulated full merits
Invisible
earlier
and
than
formless.
after.
It cannot
And their souls will ascend to heaven.
see,
Still, those who
heard,
pray for
smelled,
long
or
life,
touched
honor,
and
and
is beyond the power of human comprehension.
rank, guide recovery from sickness, cancellation of their early
Tao activates everything.